Oh, what do we have here? Today we have cops hunt down teen water park shooters. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it. Oh shit, they letting it go.
Come on. Lincoln Pool Special.
They shooting what with the cops there? If you gotta have a cop at the community center, that says a lot.
We just had 4 or 5 shots just northeast of us.
Shit.
June 11th, 2025 in Columbus, Ohio. Officers were...
It's always something going on in Columbus, man. No, not Columbus, Ohio. Like I know every city in Ohio just from watching these body cams.
working special duty at Lincoln Park Pool when they reported hearing multiple gunshots nearby. The pool was crowded with families enjoying the day. When the gunfire triggered a rapid evacuation and widespread panic, officers immediately moved to secure the area and locate the source of the shots.
Damn, I ain't had a little ad back though. Shit.
911, what's the location of your emergency?
Lincoln Park, they're shooting. We need help.
Who's shooting?
I don't know. I'm a kid, and I just called 911.
Good job, young man. Job well done.
She was wearing a black shirt. That's my little brother just told me. I was in the pool when it happened, and I heard a gunshot, and everybody, all the lifeguards, they run to the bathroom.
Was he a black guy?
Yes.
In all black clothing?
Yes.
How many of them?
That is a very vague description, cause yeah.
He said it was 2 people, but he didn't know where they went.
All right, sweetie, we're going to get an officer out there, okay?
We're not seeing anybody. It was like the back. Yeah, like between the rec center and the complex. Right up here.
Can I get a street name?
Is that a cop on a bike? I love it.
We're going to go 43.
He's a maniac on the floor.
1700 Ann Street, 5 rounds, nothing in the street.
Oh, that's crazy. Bro's hitting some high speeds on that mother.
It sounded east of us. It happened right here. Yeah. It was right here at 1720, I promise. We got cases.
When they get cases, they finna find your ass. You going to jail.
Excellent. Not getting myself killed to deliver a pizza.
Facts.
Are you okay?
That $25. I would have took that shit right back.
Do you know where it was, or you see a car? It was. His casing's right there.
I just got finished taking my shirt. 120 about here.
Right out there, right
Yeah. You see anybody?
here. No, I had just came in taking my trash in.
Dude, it was pop, 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 pop. And then,
Come here, Frankie.
Block 30.
That goddamn Frankie.
come here, Pop. Come here.
We were rolling out before we need to out. There's more.
Frankie, like, they do not never let me out the house. This is a treat.
Last scene going this way. There are 3 juveniles.
I didn't see anyone go that way. I just saw 3 male blacks walking that way. Me and him will go. You
Go,
guys
yeah,
can-
go. We'll stay here. Tony was outside, so he was closer. He's seen some people run that way. And my fat ass is all out of breath.
I don't know
Shh, I'm out of breath with you, shit, and I ain't even running.
if you saw him. You guys drove past me.
Yeah.
As soon as I turned onto this street, westbound, south of the actual Baroque Center,
Yeah,
there's 3 male blacks just walking west.
west on this down.
Yeah,
down
going
Morrill.
towards the park. Yeah. So me and Shopper will go.
And the shell casings are up here.
Yeah, shell casings are right there by Abbott.
They gotta be dumber than a box of rocks to be over here committing crime right here by the cops.
I'll see if we can pick them back up. See if they run.
They might have blood over there. No one aired it, but they might have a blood splatter right there.
I've got a witness that said he saw 3 kids, 14 to 16, wearing black. One was on a bike. The one with the 33 was not on the bike, and they took off eastbound from
Right there, right there.
the street here.
They really on bikes out here. Talk about the greatest cardio workout ever. He in the grass. He got to pedal harder. This video got me out of breath.
We got 3 cars.
Oh shit.
Hey, hands!
I got
Show me your hands.
From the rec center.
Hands! All of you, stop!
Stop right there! Stop right there! Stop right there! Show me your hand! Show me your
Oh yeah.
Stop right
Guilty.
Got one running. Don't f***ing move! Don't f***ing move! Down! Get on the f***ing ground! Get on the ground! Down! Show me your hand!
Why he felt like he lost his breath. Oh, hold on. They was just shooting? What the fuck? Who shot?
Down.
Oh, my God.
Ground. Get on the ground. Down. Show me your hands.
Oh, got him.
Hey, stop.
Yeah, there he's running.
God damn, that officer is not finna catch him running like that. Y'all see that motherfucker running?
Shots fired.
I copy shots fired, 10-3. North coast, it's north. North coast to the park. He's right there.
He's reaching. He just threw something.
Oh yeah, he going to jail. They got you surrounded, bro.
Don't move. Don't move. Do not move. Don't move. The gun's right there. Don't move. Do not move. 33 under the car. 33 under the car. Don't move.
So you thought it was okay to shoot at a cop? What logical thinking was that? Now you finna get attempted murder on a cop. That's a federal charge, stupid. And they finna charge your stupid as an adult. What was you thinking? Oh yeah, he smoked his ass.
Don't reach! Don't reach! Don't reach! Hey, cover! Get the cover! You idiots! Get the cover! Thank you!
Don't
Hands up!
Hands up.
Your buddy just got you in a world full of hurt because now you gonna be charged with it.
I'm bleeding! Yo, I'm back! Get up!
If you wouldn't have shot at the cop, you wouldn't have been bleeding, stupid. That was dumb as hell. They don't care about you bleeding. You could bleed out. You just shot at them. You think they care about that?
Get up! Hey, get up with muzzle in front of me! Get up, please! I'm bleeding!
I copy taking one into custody.
Are you guys okay?
Dumb as hell.
Fuck you, buddy.
Keep your hands out on the side. Keep your hands out on the side.
Man, it's crazy when somebody won't help as soon as they do some dumb shit, right? My buddy bleed on the floor. Why would your buddy shoot at the cops? That was dumb. That was the stupidest shit you could have done, bro.
Okay.
Help him!
I'm getting you in cuffs.
Help him! Come on, Dad!
You got it? Yep. Get him up.
And every time I see kids wearing hoodies and shit in summertime, I already know what's going on. And I'm finna move around. Picked up a gun off him. Dumb as hell.
I got lethal.
Hey, stay. Get back. No, come back.
Be careful. Don't move.
So all y'all got pipe. All y'all run around with pipe, and then one stupid gonna pull a pipe out on the. Wow. With an extendo on that, and you probably got a switch. You get a switch, you doing automatic 10 years.
All right. I'll take cuffs. Hey, I got two in the car right here. Move up. I got lethal. Hey, 33 right by you. No, Pittman. It doesn't matter. I know, we're getting you in a second. Shit, I got blood on me. I got blood on me.
We might need to go in here and look. When I was coming across, he pitched the gun. I don't know.
I'll go in there.
Because when I...
Oh, they finna shut that whole place down until they find that gun, boy. They finna be there all night. Yo ass cooked. Stupid. That was stupid. That was fucking stupid.
All right, we need to get these people out. Yeah. It's underneath the driver. Okay.
I am as well.
All right, here.
How many officers support do we need?
Hey, just walk with me. Just walk with me over here. Okay. Just walk with me. You're fine. You're fine. Oh, I got you.
That was dumb.
Man, back up. Back up. Back up. He got a GSW in the shoulder.
Is it shoulder?
Yep, right there. Okay. Do you have a tourniquet? Yeah. No, anyone have a tourniquet?
Tourniquet?
Yeah.
Hey, where's another cruiser? Where you hit?
Right there.
Oh, he'll live.
You're good, buddy. You're good. You're good, man.
You're good, buddy. You're good.
And that officer could have took his life. He sat there and shot him in the arm.
Go up as high as you can.
Yep.
You're good, dude.
You about to be in some pain. That tourniquet gonna hurt worse than the bullet. That was dumb as hell, though.
It's gonna hurt, dude.
It's gonna not feel good, buddy.
But this will save.
One more.
There you go. Where are you shot out? In your leg right here? All right.
He threw something. I can't say it was a gun, but it was black. And it was big enough that I could see it from over there.
That was a Glock, baby, with a switch on it. That's what the youngsters be rolling around with these days, is a Glock with a switch on it.
Oh, there it is. I knew he threw it. I saw him pitch it. Missing the magazine.
That's crazy.
You are shot in the arm and leg. Hang tight right now. Shut up.
A whole kid, bro. Box of sticks. He thought that arm was finna be hurting. Shit, that leg finna be on fire.
Another one is covered. Can we get a couple officers over there to help clear out the hole?
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Face that way. Pull it tighter. Pull it tighter. All right, bud. This is gonna hurt. So, sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Devin, I got her information written down.
He said sorry, not sorry. Hey, damn right he's not sorry, because why would you make me shoot you?
How does it feel to a cop when bravery and fear collide? Well, that question is hard to answer when a cop experiences moments like this, because one second you're watching over families in a pool, and the next you're hearing that unmistakable sound of gunfire, and your body knows.
That was just fucking stupid. I'm sorry. I don't like what? We shooting at cops? First off, we shooting at a public setting, right? And we shooting at the cops.
Your mind does, the danger's close. But
that's
deep
crazy.
Down, every officer knows this is where fear sharpens into a razor's edge, and bravery decides whether you move forward or you freeze. And when you have multiple gunshots ring out near a crowded public space like a pool, you don't get just a crime scene. You get an instant city within a city. You got kids.
Facts. That was dumb.
Parents, strangers pulling each other towards safety, and officers have to lock everything down with no map, no guarantees, and no clue how many shooters are involved. The complexity of the job to me is how these same people who cause a police officer to fire the weapon then sit and scream in pain from a tourniquet. But this is a lesson he won't soon forget.
He ain't gonna never shoot that bitch again. I bet you that. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.